Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you log out of Facebook from all devices, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first we need to get something out of the way. Since we're going to be using the Facebook app on your mobile app or mobile device, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device we're using. Find Facebook from here and let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, go to the store. Now open Facebook, of course. Make sure you're logged into your account and then tap right here in the top right corner on your profile picture to open the menu. From menu, you can open settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right, or you can instead scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and from this list select settings in the top of the screen right here. Anyways, once we get from settings, right here go ahead and open Account Center by tapping on see more in Account Center, and here we are. Now tap right here on password and security, this option right there. From here just tap on where you're logged in right here. Of course, choose your Facebook account from these accounts, and then you find every single device that you are logged in right now on your Facebook account. You can scroll all the way down and tap on select devices to log out, and then from the screen you can tap on the devices that you want to log out of, and then tap on log out in the bottom right here. Just confirm by tapping on log out and you'll be logged out of that device. Now if you want to log out from all devices at once, tap on select all and then tap on log out in the bottom, and then tap on log out again. And that's basically how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.